It's my daughter's first birthday, so let's go on a $1,000 shopping haul.
All three stores we have to go to are in the same plaza, so that's just so beautiful. Store number 2. Almost didn't get a buggy. We're definitely gonna need one. I feel like this is literally mandatory. Absolutely. She loves these toys specifically, but they don't sell them by themselves. So she can be just like mommy. I guess this one is technically for me.
Now I have a cake recipe. I need pate for the filling, and then we have to go to Kroger for the rest of it.
We'll get this. My girl gets some crab today. Fantastic. Let's check out. Okay, I read online that there might be quail eggs here. It's a little harder to find. Secured. Hopefully this will be the last stop today. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Yay!
Birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl, birthday girl. It's your birthday, it's your birthday girl, it's your birthday, it's your birthday girl, it's your birthday.